Hi there, okay, doing good. So here I am with the demo. So this is basically a Google Sheet where the form is attached to it, and there are a number of questions, almost 26 in the first one, but now I see that you have modified, I think, the form, and now it has less, I think 24 out of it. Yeah, now we have less questions, 23 now. Okay, so the requirement was that whenever someone makes a choice, that choice has a value you want to assign to that, like a score of something. So if someone is selecting, so the question number one or two has some options to select, and against those there will be a value that will be used in this sheet, the calculation sheet, which you have already set up. This is here. So you will enter a number, the question name, the available options, and the score. So these are the three columns you need to enter. And yeah, the length of the options will always be varying. There might be three options or six options. So you just need to enter those in here. I'll let you know how to do that. So once done, um, I have set up these values like 1 to 3. I've given some options these, and it's showing the total for those in here. So currently you can see, let me select all of these. If I'll paste these values in here, and let me take the difference of these, which should be 0. Now, if I'm going to change the options, because I have selected, I've currently used only 5 or 6 initial questions. So if I'll make these all test 2. So basically what I've done, I've given the test value 1, test 2, value 2, test group value 3. So I'm going to use test group for all of these. And on the right side, you will be able to see the difference in here. So now this has been shifted. So initial values were 9, 21, 27, 31, and 30. And now those are being changed. And the setup here, let me show you that thing. Okay, so you can see here, I have entered few questions in here and I have taken the results. This selection you have made on the other sheet on form response 1. So I have just taken all of these values and given those a number. So these are the option 3, 5, 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 0, 5, 0, 0. So this one has an option of 3. The score is 3 for this one. Let me, this is question. Okay, so given each option has given a number, and you can see there are a lot of questions. Whatever the questions were available on your response sheet, I'll just use those. And now I'll show you the responses for those. Here you can see currently it's showing 10, 12. Let me take the copy of these. I'm just trying to show you the difference in here. So now if I'll change the score on the lookup sheet, maybe if I'll make it 10, 11, 12, and stretch those, you will see the number got changed. So there is a difference of 9 in every one. So because I have added 9 to each number, so 1 become 10, 11 become 2 become 12. So you can see the difference in here, that these are dynamic. Okay. So if I'll make these options 100, 200, and if now someone will submit the form and he will select the moderately sensitive or low sensitivity, the moderate sensitive will have score of 300 and low sensitivity will have score of 500, whatever the score you will enter in here. So you have to enter a question, all the available options for that question, and answers to that question. The square, sorry. And then once you will be reaching there, you will be seeing a response in here. You can see the number got changed automatically and the sum is also changed. For this, I'm using this sheet calculations. Here you can see each and every value from that response sheet is being used in here. Why I am adding this tab is that I don't like actually the idea of calculating the responses within this sheet and showing the results. So it's better to just to show the results in front of those, because this is what is required. And the calculation should be on a separate sheet. So I'm using this lookup sheet as per your format. So you need to enter a question. In front of that, you need to enter the options for that question. and then the scores for that question, and that is it. So there will be at the start of every option, and you can always leave an empty row in between as well so that those can segregate. So at the start, you need to put the question in. Similarly in here, there should be a question in here. This is not right. So there will be a question at the beginning, options available and their scores, and those will automatically get calculated, and you will be able to see the response on the column AA. You don't need this. And once you will be making a new entry in here, you will be able to see the results as well. So that is it from my side. Please let me know if you need this. Take care. Bye.